Hey Geek, so I think all of us know that AI is practically taking over the world. Every major tech company from Google to Meta or Facebook to Microsoft to Twitter or X, they all have AI. However, the one that really blew up this whole AI scene is OpenAI or ChatGPT. That's what they use for conversational AI. But I want to show you something today that if you have not seen before, is absolutely blowing my mind, but it's also kind of scary as well. So this is from OpenAI, the makers of ChatGPT, and they have this new AI called Sora. So if you don't know what it is a AI right now that is made for video, so text to video. So let me show you some of this because, well, you're going to be absolutely stunned. So check this out. I'm going to blow it up a little bit. I might get some claims on this video, but check this out. This is not a real person. This is AI. So the first time that I saw this, look at this. It's absolutely mind-blowing. And all they did was put the text prompts that they want. They describe what they want to see. And then the AI generated it. Here's another one. Some woolly mammoths. And here's the actual prompts that they use right down here. And here's a movie trailer. And then here's one with a drone shot overview. I can't believe this was, well, first of all, I can't even believe this is generated by AI. That's the first thing. But the second thing is the absolutely mind-blowingly crazy amount of realism here. Other things that are CG, that one, like when they say animate or CG, you could tell it's CG, but that was what was in the prompt. Man, I really cannot believe how far this technology is coming. And even though we might feel like this is recent, AI has been around for a very long time. If you look back in histories, AI was developed probably 50s or 60s, with really rudimentary AI. And it's always been there. It's just gotten so much better and more powerful. And this is also AI. I can't believe that is not a real person. So let me tell you why this is obviously scary for video creators like you and me. If you are a creator, you're seeing how amazing these things look. Well, at some point, you won't be able to distinguish between something generated by a machine versus a human, versus a real person. And so in the future, I'll probably be able to put a prompt with my name on it and then talk about a video I want to create. And this thing will produce basically photorealistic videos of me with my voice, even though I'm not there. Now, there are some AI that's able to do that. They'll use celebrities. Basically, it's going to gather a lot of existing data on these people, and then it will be able to generate the video and the voice. And right now, the voice is, well, stunningly and really shockingly accurate, but the video is the next step. Okay, so once something like Sora AI gets so good that you can't tell the difference, well, at that point, we as human beings might not be needed as creators anymore. And that's kind of like the reality. I hate to say, oh, wow, you know what? It's never going to take over people or we're not there yet. But in this case, just looking at some of these early demos, it looks like it's going to come sooner than later. And if you are a creator, then, well, you're going to have to be ready for this. And even if you're not a creator, I think everybody knows this. AI, as with most advancements in technology, and it's not just computer based, it's going to basically replace a lot of people, and most importantly, replace people's jobs, industries, and businesses. And so this will all impact us in ways that at this point we really can't predict. I mean, we can predict some things, but you really don't know the scope and impact when AI gets to these levels. And even Elon Musk, he's mentioned many times before previously that we could be living in an AI, in a simulation, and we just don't know it. And other sci-fi films like Matrix and many others have explored this. And honestly, when you see technology like this, can you imagine how more advanced this type of technology can be 100 years from now, 1,000 years from now, where an advanced civilization builds an AI that is so incredible, things that we can't even imagine, produce the world that we're living in now. I know we're getting to the whole realm of sci-fi and all this other stuff, but just looking at something like this, it's very plausible and probably very likely. And so, yeah, so if you are a video creator, well, just look to something like Sora AI and know that it's coming. It's coming for you, but it can also be used as a tool. And so I might be experimenting with this more. I have tried ChatGPT and other conversational AI. And I also, use this for other things, like digital marketing work. A lot of companies are utilizing AI in different ways. And right now, the AI at this point is used as a tool, and they still need people to actually curate it and look at it to make sure that it makes sense to people. But as these things get better, especially when it comes to this video AI, wow. Well, let's just say that I'll probably be making less content in the future. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.